In the realm of hydraulic engineering, the significance of efficient water management cannot be overstated. From irrigation to flood control and hydropower generation, the precise regulation of water flow is paramount. Among the ingenious inventions aiding in this endeavor is the radial gate, a versatile hydraulic structure that has revolutionized water control systems worldwide. What is radial gate? A device used for controlling the flow of water over spillways or into canals by having the upstream face curved in the form of an arc, the center of which is at the center of the gate hinge. The radial gate in its simplest form consists of a curved skin plate formed to a cylinder segment, supported by radial compressed arms which transfer the hydraulic forces to fixed bearings. The radial gate rotates about a horizontal axis, which passes through the bearing center and usually coincides with the center of the skin plate curvature radius. By this arrangement, the resultant thrust from the water pressure passes through the point of rotation and has no tendency to open or close the gate. The primary purpose of a radial gate is to regulate the flow of water. By adjusting the position of the gate, engineers can manage water levels, mitigate flood risks, and facilitate the controlled release of water for downstream users. This versatility makes radial gates invaluable in numerous applications. Let's take a look at common parts of radial gate. Trunnion. Anchor bolts. Upper arm. Lower arm. Sill beam. Hydraulic cylinder connecting position. Guide wheels. Gate body leaves. Lintel beam. Bottom seal. Side seal. Top seal.